Happy New Year. The results are in from a video that I made. I'll see if I can link it right here. February 1st of last year, I said, here are the best growth stocks for 2023. And I just did the final results from the year, and you're not going to believe what we got. Let's just jump right into it. So I think I predicted 10 stocks. And listen, I'm not in the business of making predictions. I'm in the business of trying to analyze probabilities so that you can get the best probabilities on your side, because I have no idea if the market's going to go up or down. I did, however, say on January 9th that we're going to a bull market. So I will take credit for that. And at the end of the year, S&P 500 went up 24%. Pretty good year for the S&P 500, but a better year for this list of stocks that I put out on February 1st of 2023. And here we are, January 2nd, 2024, and Apple went from 143 to 192, up $49. That's a 34% change. Palo Alto Networks, 157 to 294. That's a $137 change. Pretty good. 87% up, almost a double. NVIDIA was the star of the show, from 193.43. And by the way, nobody wanted NVIDIA back in February. Everybody's like, oh, it's a dog and it's in the chip business. And, you know, AI all of a sudden hit and it took off, but nobody wanted NVIDIA. NVIDIA is a great company. And it went up $300 a share, up 156%. So you more than doubled your money. MasterCard, up 15%. Lam Research, up 63%. Transocean, which is a junk stock, but because it had high relative strength and it was, coming off a bottom, I said, let me make an exception and I'll, talk about a $6.44 stock. Ended up the year $6.35, down 9 cents for the year, off 1%. Zscaler, which is one of my, top performing stocks for last year in general, just one of the best stocks. Zscaler, Tesla, NVIDIA, Palo Alto were all really great performers for the year. And Zscaler is up 80%. Tesla up 48%. By the way, up a lot more if you had picked the bottom right around the first part of January. It was up, more than 100%. AT&T, this is one of those cheap stocks that I talked about for a dividend. So if you were looking at making an 8% dividend, AT&T probably is not a bad place to be. I just don't play the dividend game. I play the cash flow machine, which is I buy a stock and I sell a call against it, and I get 1 to 2% a week. BTG is a gold mining stock, and it was down 20% over the year. So you can see any stock that was really under $100 was down, right? And that's why I normally don't talk about stocks that are under $100, because I just think they're junk, right? I'd rather see you buy 10 shares of a stock that's $100 than 100 shares of a stock that's 10. So if you're somebody that doesn't have a lot of money to get into the market yet, I'd rather have you buy quality and get used to owning quality rather than trying to scoop up junk, right? Penny stocks. I'm proud of what we did last year. I hope you had a great year. And if you would, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and make a comment. If you got one of these stocks, if you did well on it, and maybe if you did well because you watched one of the videos, great. And hit that notification bell, because in the next day or two, I'm going to be coming out with my 2024 best growth stocks list, and you'll want to make sure you get a list and you'll want to make sure that you're on that list. So thanks for being here. Thanks again for a great 2023. I hope you had one, and I'll see you in the next video.